Let's take a look at this example. This time, angle beta is given and is expressed in degrees, so make sure that your calculators are switched to degrees. And we have length of side C, hypotenuse of the triangle. We're supposed to find the length of side A. We're supposed to find the length of side B. And we're supposed to find angle alpha. Now, let's take a look at these formulas with angle beta. Again, we're supposed to look for the formula which will contain two pieces of the information. We have angle beta is given and side C. So if angle beta is given and side C, I can use this formula for sine of angle beta to find side B. And also I can use formula for cosine beta to find side A. Why? Because beta is given and C is given. Beta is given and C is given. So from this formula I can find B, from this formula I can find A. I cannot use formula for tangent because tangent doesn't have side C in itself. I mean, formula for tangent beta doesn't have C in itself. That's why I cannot use this formula. So in order to find side B, I'm going to use formula for sine. So I have sine beta is equal B over C. In order to find B, I have to eliminate fraction. In order to eliminate fraction, I have to multiply both sides of my formula by the denominator. C and C will cancel out. So I have B is equal C times sine beta, where C is equal 10 meters times sine of 24.5 degrees. Let me remind you one more time, we are dealing with degrees. Switch your calculators to degrees. So B is equal 4.14 meters. This is the length of side B. Next, we're supposed to find side A. Side A you can find from formula for cosine beta, because beta is given, C is given, I can find A, or I can find A also from formula for tangent beta, because tangent beta is equal B over A. We found the length of side B, and we can rearrange this formula to find length of side A. We can also use Pythagorean theorem. So we have a few options. I'm going to use Pythagorean theorem right now to find side A. So I have A square plus B square is equal to C square. In order to find length of side A, I'm supposed to move B to the right side of my formula. So I have A square is equal C square minus B square. A is equal square root of C square minus B square. Again, someone can ask why you are using Pythagorean theorem. I'm using that because I want you to think and just keep in mind that there are few options to solve this problem. So we have A is equal square root, open parenthesis, and C is equal 10 meters square minus B, which is equal 4.14 meters. Okay, plugging these values into the calculator, you're supposed to get the answer 9.5 1 meters. Okay, this is the length of side A, which is simply the adjacent to angle beta. In order to find angle alpha, you're supposed to keep in mind that angle alpha plus angle beta is equal 90 degrees. So in order to find alpha in this case, you're supposed to move beta to the right side of the formula. Alpha is equal 90 degrees minus beta, which is equal 90 degrees minus beta, which is equal 24.5 degrees. So alpha is equal 65.5 degrees. We found the length of side B, the length of side A, and angle alpha. We can say that the problem is solved.